Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Go ahead and do a favor. Hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell right now. I just ran downstairs. I had to put a jacket on because with all white, you won't be able to see me. Looks like my head is just floating. I just want to talk about crypto right quick because I am going to do some buying in crypto as soon as I get off of this live. Not live, but this video. I'm sorry, good people. I'm just kind of rushing, kind of pipe things up. Listen, crypto, I'm going to start. Where would I start? So there is a thing with crypto that normally tanks in September. Will Bitcoin break September jinx, right? And as we know, it's September, and we expect, I've been talking about the market, how it would traditionally take a dip in September. And we are there now. We're in September, and things are actually taking a dip, right? So let's, what should we look at? Let's look at the crypto bubbles. As we could see, nothing but a sea of red for the day and the hour. We have a little bounce back, which means that everything had a flash crash. And remember, I was telling you guys about these flash crashes. Well, they're happening, right? They're happening consistently, which I believe that's the monthly and the weekly. But as you can see, you see all of that green in the last hour, but for the day it's red. That means for this period of time, that for me, the way I buy crypto, it was a buying opportunity, okay? A buying opportunity. Now, some things came up. You guys know that as far as high risk crypto, Bonk is my baby this year. In 2021, it was SHIBA Inu. It's Bonk now. Bonk is just really hitting a low. All right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go here to, let's just go to coin, the market cap. Let me find that for you guys. And I want to show you guys what I'm talking about. Right. We see right here where Bitcoin is down. We have the hour, we have the day, and then we have the 7 day, the week, right? This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down 10% for the week. That's insane. All right. Ethereum. But look at Solana. Solana is down 19%. So I am buying some Solana. I'm actually making this now, and then I'm going to go and buy. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. Never just blindly follow Larry, okay? And you say, Larry, how much dry powder do you have? I'm not buying big chunks. Some of you guys are buying way more than I'm buying, okay? This is not a gamble. You have plenty of time, okay? Just little pieces, right? So I'm buying more Solana, all right? As far as a altcoin, I'm buying more Solana. I always buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes without, but I'm buying more Solana because I look for the red. Do we have Link? Link is not in here right now, but as far as some of the top ones that are actually selling off, I'll check it out in a minute. But let's look at the memes, right? Let's look at the memes. Now, as we can see, for the week, Doge is down, SHIB is down, Pepe is down, Dog with Hat is down. I know for some of you that are new to crypto, you're going, what? That's the name, really? Dog with Hat is actually tanking. Now, I'm not in these plays, but I am in Bonk, and Bonk is down 22% for the week. Look at Bonk. And so Bonk right now is all the way back to, I believe, April lows, right? So we're back to where we were with April. Let's just take a look here. Let's look at this. Let's look. So right now we're all the way down here, right? So the last time we had a wick down was Monday, August 5th, right? But before then, to even touch in this range, we had to go all the way back to April, all right? April 20th, Saturday, April 20th. So we are down back to where we were first quarter of this year, right? And you know, we've been swinging. I've been swinging Bonk all here, right? And so, Larry, why are you making this video right now? I want to point something out to you guys. I want you to see that September is Bitcoin's worst month, right? Time to brace for impact. That's why I want you to brace for the impact of this month in stocks and crypto. Now, some will be selling, some will be running for the hills. Myself, I will be buying and I will be holding. Not my mortgage money, not money that I will need, let alone in the next 3 months, but the next 3 years. This is not that type of money, okay? So what I'm doing is I am going to buy some more Bonk, and I'm going to buy some more Solana because they are down the most, right? And there's nothing really big that's causing it to happen other than the fear of September, okay? Remember, my theory is when the building's on fire, I run towards the burning building. And I'm catching these falling babies, okay? And so I want you guys to look at this. This is very helpful and useful material here. So you could see here by month, right? And you could see that September is the worst month because all of this red data, it is has the most consecutive months, followed by January, okay? So look at this. So 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22, September was the worst month. But look at what happens in October. We wind up having green months. So here's where I'm buying. And here's where I may be selling, doing some swings on my meme coins, but I'm holding my Bitcoin. Now, I'm not going to sell all of my meme coins. I'm only going to sell the ones that I'm going to buy now. Follow? So there is a method to the madness. I swing some of these by buying these dips, and when they run up 30, 40, 50, 60%, then I sell them because we're in this sideways chamber. It's still range bound, though it's bouncing up and down. But for those of you that are traders and have taken the course and know how I swing trade, there's plenty of money to be made in crypto, even on the red days. So we literally like the red day. Go. All right, this is the fear and greed index, okay? And so we know that we like to buy it when it's great fear, and we like to sell it when it's great greed, right? So we don't run with the herd, we run against the herd. Right now, we're neutral. It's in indecision. This is the hardest area it is to know where crypto is going or to even trade crypto because it could dip even more, right? And so remember, the way I teach is we buy here and we sell here, right? Because to me, that's the equivalent of buying low and selling high. But as you could see now, as I go back to the crypto bubbles for the day, still red, but for the hour, it's still green. Now, did I miss it, Larry? This could happen 10 more times with crypto before the Fed even starts decreasing interest rates. So guys, I want you guys to just know that. Let's just pull up Bitcoin and see what it's doing. As a matter of fact, we don't even have to pull that chart up. So let's just keep it simple. I'm here on Coinbase. Let's look at this. Larry, why do you do this and how do you see it? Just simple. I just look at what's down the most. And if there's no major news why it should be down, because this is crypto, we can clearly see between, if I had to choose which one I'm going to buy Solana over Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin being the top dog, but Solana being a layer one, right? And so that's why XRP is down a nice little chunk. I might grab a few pennies of that, but I'm not really buying much. I have all of the XRP that I want. And so For instance, let's just go to here. Let's just do this while I have you guys. Let's just put Bonk in there. Now, Bonk is high risk, you guys. Don't go and put a lot of money into it. Larry, why are you talking about it? Because you guys saw how much money I made off of Shiba Inu. But when it's time for me to tap out, I'm also going to tell you I'm tapping out. And a lot of people will ask, well, why are you tapping out? It's running up now because of what I just showed you guys. All right. So look at this. Bonk is down, and it was down in the 16. Now it's up 17. So Bonk, if you go out the last month, the last 30 days, we were just in the low range of the last 30 days. You see that? And so in the last 30 days, 32%, good people. 32%. And it could go up 32%. And that's how I swing, okay? So you guys will let me know what you think about this, but I will tell you right now that soon as I get off of this live, it's not a live, good people. I keep saying live. As soon as I get off of this broadcast, I am going to buy a little Bonk. And I missed the absolute bottom, but I'm going to buy a little Bonk and a little Solana. Now, is that the only crypto I'm buying? No, it's not the only crypto I'm buying. I'm just buying those because they are dipping. Actually, Bonk is down in the 16 area, and I wanted to show you that. What also else is down by 5%? Doge is down, right? But, you know, Bitcoin is down for the month, and I'm constantly buying it. And let's see what other ones like Ondo is doing. Let's see. Chainlink is down by 4.55%. So I may buy a little Chainlink. Ondo is down by 5%. On this one, I'm going to buy a little more Ondo, but not a lot because there's still time. And so I'm still saving a little dry powder. All right. So I just came on to let you guys know what I'm doing with my crypto. But for those of you that really want to learn more about crypto, it's there in Stock Up You, good people. See, right there. I show you the whole ecosystem. I show you how to make money. I show you how to trade, and I show you how to invest. All right. With crypto here in Stock Up You. Stock Up You will be the top link below. All right, good people. I just wanted to come on here on Sunday and let you know what's going on. All right. Let me know what you think is going to happen with crypto, good people. Let me know what you think. Do you think it's over? Do you think it's all the way down now? But remember what I just showed you guys. This happens every single cycle. A lot of people get in fear. And like I said, the woman that sings off key sings the loudest. The guy that sings off key sings the loudest, right? And so I just showed you guys that it's doing what it's supposed to do. It's doing what it historically has done in September. And so will the stock market. And everybody thinks that the sky is going to fall when in reality, it was time to buy. Now, I'm not telling you what to do. It could be. Hey, it could be over. It could be. So what type of money are you putting in? So don't go putting a bunch of money in on money that you need. This is just a little bit. Now, in closing, I will also tell you that I only started out with 5% of my money into crypto, and it turned into 10, 15%, right? But I try to keep it under 20% of all of my investments. As a matter of fact, the older you get, it should be more like 10% of all of your investing in crypto, not above 10%, okay? But I started with 5 and it turned into 15% because I know when to buy and I'm not afraid to sell, okay? All right, make sure you check out the links below. Come join us with Stock Up You. Come join thousands of us. Learn how to trade and make money. We'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Please leave me a comment and let me know if anything I said helped you. Yes, in closing, I spoke at 2 conferences. Everyone that was at the prayer conference and everyone that was at the pastors and elders conference that signed up for the Popple thing that I had, make sure you check your emails, okay? Check your emails, because sometimes I'll send it and it'll go to your garbage or whatever they call that, where your email sends it to. I want you to check it. Check all your files and make sure to check your emails, okay? Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.